We want to form a polynomial where we're told the degree and information about where it crosses or touches the x-axis. So forming a polynomial, that means we don't want the graph, but we want the equation for this. So you can use function notation if you want to. I'm just going to use y equal. Okay, now degree 4. That's kind of something I'm going to use as a double check at the end. Okay, now what do I know here? It touches the x-axis at 3. Aha, that's an x-intercept or a root or a 0. They go by all of those names. To touch or to hit the x-axis at 3 means there must be a factor of x minus 3, opposite of the sign. Okay, now to make it touch, that means that this factor has to be raised to some even degree. For now, I'm just going to write real lightly even because I'm going to erase it here at the end when I figure out which number it should be. Okay, so to touch, I need an even exponent for my factor of x minus 3. Now it crosses the x-axis at these two values. Okay, let's take them one at a time. At -2. Alright, so that is x. For now, I'm going to go ahead and write minus a -2. Since it crosses, that means this has to be an odd exponent. Okay, and these things have to be multiplied together, not added or subtracted, multiplication. And then finally, there's another one at 7. So multiply by x minus 7. And again, that crosses, so this has to be an odd degree. Now, two things I'm going to do to clean this up. First of all, you shouldn't leave minus a negative. We know that's going to become plus. And of course, you could cut right to that. If you recognize, oh, if this is a negative, I'm going to add. That's fine. You can always think opposite. That works. And then I need my x minus 7. These factors are all multiplied. But now I'm going to tie together my exponents with what I'm told about the overall degree. The degree needs to be 4. That means these exponents that I fill in must add to give me 4. Well, there's only one way to do that. If I need 1 even and 2 odds, that's if this is squared, and if these are both to the first power, which we don't write, because 2 plus 1 gives me my total degree of 4. And this is an acceptable form for this answer. I actually could write several different answers because I could change the number out in front here if I want to. But there's nothing that says I have to do that, so I'm just going to leave it as understood 1 so I don't have to write anything. Don't worry about multiplying this out. Leave it in factored form.